Hey there beautiful people, I hope you're doing well. This is your Vibro from Filmora Made Easy, and today in this video we'll learn how to use the RGB curves in Filmora. So without any further delay, let's hop into this video. Now why is this RGB curves used, you might ask? Basically it is used for color correction. If your video is shot in RAW or if the video is dull and you want to make it look alive, then these RGB curves are your best friend. After opening up Filmora, go and add your video footage that you want to adjust the colors of. Add that video to your timeline and then right-click on it and select Color Correction. Go to the Advanced tab. Now scroll down and there you'll find the RGB dots. You have white, red, green, and blue. Select any of the color dots and then adjust the curves to your likings and give your video your own signature style. If you want me to create a dedicated video showing you how you can color grade or color adjust your video in the best and easy way possible, then please let me know in the comments. Do like this video and also subscribe to my channel for more contents, tips and tricks related to Filmora because this is Filmora Made Easy. Make sure you watch this video about removing video background without green screen, which is pretty easy and I'm pretty sure you will love it. So I'll see you in that video.